To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Have, has. In this video, we will learn the difference between these two words. Both have and has are verbs. They can be used to show possession, or they can be used as helping verbs in a sentence. The form used will depend on the subject in the sentence. Have. Have is used with pronouns I, we, you, they, and plural nouns in the present tense. It's used when speaking in the first person, second person, or third person plural. For example, I have a new bag. We have a meeting. You have a nice smile. They have an exam today. The students have to study hard for their exams. Has. Has is used with the pronouns he, she, it, and any singular nouns in the present tense. For example, he has a big house. She has beautiful long hair. It has been raining all day. Andrew has a blue car. The giraffe has a long neck. When forming negative sentences, we use don't have for subjects I, we, you, they, and plural nouns in the present tense. For example, I don't have a new bag. We don't have a meeting. You don't have blue eyes. They don't have an exam today. We use doesn't have for subjects he, she, it, and singular nouns in the present tense. For example, he doesn't have a big house. She doesn't have long hair. Andy doesn't have a red car. Lena doesn't have any kids.